This familiarisation video provides an understanding of the method developed to fit the new Australian Stabilator horn to existing torque tubes. It doesn't replace the assembly instructions provided with each unit. Please refer to them before commencing work. Please note also that the instructions don't cover the installation of a new horn to a new torque tube. We commence with the assembly removed from the aircraft and the torque tube prepared for the fitment of the new horn. Removal of the balance arm from the old horn can usually be accomplished using heat, but the assembly instructions include suggestions for the manufacture of a suitable jig if required. Once removed, it's necessary to measure the diameter of the balance arm and bore to determine the interference fit. It needs to be in the range of 0 to 2 thou. Honing the bore is permitted to achieve correct fit. After ensuring that the horn will slide over the torque tube by hand, place a 5/16 inch tooling bush into each of the attachment holes in the torque tube. Slide the horn into position and align it roughly by eye before inserting a locating pin from the installation kit to achieve correct alignment. Then use the 19/64 diameter drill with 3/16 diameter pilot to open out both ends of the hole in the horn. Follow up with the 5/16 diameter chucking reamer with 3/16 pilot to ream the holes to the final diameter. After removing the pilot bush, insert a 5/16 diameter bolt into the finished hole to secure the assembly, and repeat the process with the other hole. Insertion of the balance arm into the new horn is achieved after heat soaking the horn for 20 minutes at 200 degrees C. The horn will drop easily onto the balance arm and is correctly located by inserting the alignment pin supplied in the installation kit. The assembly is now ready for final installation on the torque tube using the various applications of Loctite called for. The instructions provided with the horn are very detailed and provide clear guidance for every step of the process. Pay careful attention to balancing the stabilator and checking the stabilator rigging, as the new horn can affect both.
Well, from an owner's perspective, it was very straightforward. I think it's a well-made piece of equipment. I know the company that makes it, and they've got incredible equipment, and the tooling and jigs that they use to install it seem to make it a very simple and straightforward process. So overall, I'm very happy with it. From a pilot's perspective, it feels absolutely fine to me. I can't detect anything different to this or other Comanches I've flown.
The Australian replacement horn, a simple, innovative solution to the stabilator horn problem.